Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna learn how to sign up and create a new account for SingX. So let's get started right away. First of all, go launch open your App Store or your Play Store and get the SingX application downloaded on your device. Once you've downloaded the app, tap on Open to launch it on. Now, this is the main sign-in page where you can enter your credentials and get access to your account. To create a new account, go ahead and tap on the Register Now button at the bottom. Select whether you'd like to create an individual account or a business account. Select your country from the drop-down under Country of Residence. Make sure to choose the country you're currently residing in. Go ahead and enter an email address you have an access to inside the email address text box. Enter a mobile phone number in the next field and create a password you would like to secure your account with. Agree to the terms and services by checking on the boxes at the bottom and tap on Sign Up. Once you are done, on the next page, you will need to select your registration method. You can select between two registration methods available on the screen. If you choose the first option, you will need to provide your mobile details, NRIC and proof of address. If you choose Verify with SingPass, this is the fastest way to get to your account. Tap on the Continue button after a selection. On the next page, download the SingPass app on your device by scanning the QR code or get to the password login option and then log into your SingPass account by entering your ID and password and tapping on Login. Remember that if you don't have a SingPass account, you will need to register for one as well. Simply hit the register button and then go and fill in your details and then follow the prompts in order to complete your SingPass account's creation. Make sure that you provide any necessary identity verification steps and documents in order to submit the registration form. Simply follow on-screen prompts till the end and you will be able to complete your registration. Now you'll need to check your email for any confirmation messages from SingX. Click on any verification link provided in the email to activate your account. So that is how you can easily sign up for a SingX account within a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.